To deposit funds on Uniswap, you will need to have a cryptocurrency wallet and some Ethereum or other supported tokens. First, go to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. This will take you to the Uniswap interface where you can connect your wallet. To connect your wallet, click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner and select your wallet provider from the list of options. If your wallet provider is not listed, you can try using the Wallet Connect option. Once you have connected your wallet, you will be able to see your account balance and begin the deposit process. To deposit funds, navigate to the Liquidity tab and select the pool you want to deposit into. Each pool is a market made up of 2 assets, and you will need to have both assets in your wallet to deposit. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand that Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and all transactions are done on the Ethereum blockchain. This means that every transaction will incur gas fees, which can vary depending on the congestion of the network. To minimize gas fees, consider making your deposits during times of low network congestion. It is also crucial to have enough Ethereum in your wallet to cover the gas fees, as this will be required to complete the transaction. After confirming the transaction, it will be processed on the Ethereum blockchain, and the funds will be deposited into the liquidity pool. You can then use these funds to provide liquidity and earn trading fees, or you can use them to trade on the Uniswap platform. It is crucial to note that providing liquidity on Uniswap comes with risks, including impermanent loss. This occurs when the price of the assets in the pool changes, resulting in a loss of value for the liquidity provider. However, it also offers opportunities to earn trading fees and participate in the decentralized finance ecosystem. By following these steps and understanding the risks and opportunities, you can successfully deposit funds on Uniswap and start participating in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Always make sure to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.